Never a dull moment here at the Dreaming Tree Artist Retreat. I've made another sample using a Amazon mailing folder, and it's Eco Prints samples. I've glued some samples on the front. These are actually pressed in a pasta machine. This one is in a dye bath with alum, and anyway, I've got one more leaf to put on, so I'll add that one. This was a eco dye. This one's pressed. And I still am getting these corners glued here because they popped. Made me a little circle tie. And I'm gonna make this a quick one because I gotta go let the chickens out into the orchard. So I've got 2 packs of samples in here. One is eco dye using alum and vinegar and rust. Some of the experiments were separate, like this one was a combination of vinegar and rust. And then these were just alum, which I guess I need to label that. All of these are alum, just alum. So you put the flowers in, or leaves. This is elderberry, baby elderberry leaves, and some other grass up here. And you soak your papers, you do a heat process on it too, and you end up with these beautiful colors and designs. That's rhubarb leaf, a baby rhubarb leaf when it first. So these were done in the spring, and there's just not a whole lot of collection out there. Dandelions, the rose lenten, which I need to grow more of that. This is catnip. I don't remember the name of that weed. Good weed, bad weed. Grape hyacinths. So then this was another separate one where I used the leaf and pressed it in a pasta machine, then left the leaf on and sprayed it with oxide spray. And these were pressed in the pasta machine and brushed with vinegar. This one was just pressed and vinegar on one leaf. So this amaranth was a real juicy plant, and it just spread the green. So there's a whole collection of them. I thought I had one that was the print, and but anyway. Maybe somewhere here. Anyway, I just made a nice little envelope for it so it could have a place to live. Used old coffee paper and some wrapping paper. And that's what's going to be happening at the retreat for my first client, Caroline.